everyone, it's me Mukil again. I always had a question how toilet paper flushes into the toilet potty. Today I have got my answer for my curiosity. We're gonna experiment the same. Please continue watching this video. You're thinking I would take you to the toilet and do the experiment? No, we're doing it in my experiment lab. To do this experiment, we need A4 sheet paper and a stirrer, toilet paper, and a glass of water. Try to put the normal paper in the water and try to stir it like the toilet stirs it and see if it dissolves. Okay, ready, steady, go. Whoa. Maybe it will never get dissolved. Takes forever. Still, I couldn't make it dissolve in the water. Let's take this out and put the toilet paper in. Now I'm gonna add the toilet paper. And I'm gonna stir it well. You see the toilet paper getting separated out. It isn't dissolving. It is ripped into small parts. Keep stirring well. It's like this. This is how the toilet paper gets ripped into tiny pieces and gets out into the outlet. This isn't like normal paper. This paper is manufactured with very thin layers. When it gets stirred, the thin layers rip apart, and that's how the toilet potty paper works. Thanks for watching. Please